Alright, so today we're going to talk about the awning on the Freebird. It is a 23ZERO awning, the 180 Peregrine, and Brevin is going to show us how to deploy it and put it back. First, you unzip the awning. Flip open the cover, unstrap the Velcro, and bring the two front supports all the way out to the front. Okay. Which will give you access to the back supports. Bring those all the way back. Then you head to the back of the van, and in a sweet little baggie in here, you'll find your straps. Attach one end of the strap to that loop there. Pull the whole thing over and attach the other end of the strap to this eyelet and tighten it pretty good. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing with the front. Loop on the front and pull it taut to that eyelet right there. Okay, now it's tight and we can release the legs, which are held by more Velcro. They loosen and then tighten. There we go. Same thing here. Okay, sweet. We've got an awning. And then we put it back, which is everything reversed. So loosen the legs, make them compact, Velcro them back in. Back leg's in. Front leg is in. Okay, then back here, this is closer to the base of the awning than this one, which is further from the base of the awning. So your back legs need to be folded in first. So Brevin is grabbing the straps, releasing them from the eye hooks. And then we're gonna fold the back legs in first. And front legs fold over. You do wanna make sure that you don't lose your top straps in that process. Grab them. Push the whole thing in pretty tight, and then just roll it up. And your Velcro will make everything nice and tight. That. And like that. And you just bring the cover over. And zip it shut. Fairly simple process. Thank you, Brevin.